Hey everyone, want to improve your website performance with Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to use analytics data to find problems and optimize your website step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the website property you want to analyze and open the Asterisk Reports ** section. Start by checking your Acquisition * reports to understand where your visitors are coming from. Knowing your traffic sources helps you identify which marketing channels are bringing valuable users. Next, review the Engagement * reports to see how visitors interact with your website. Look at important data like page views, events, engagement time, and user activity. Now identify your best performing pages and compare them with pages that have lower engagement. This helps you understand what content works and where improvements are needed. Next, check user behavior across different devices, such as desktop and mobile, to find performance issues that may affect certain visitors. Review your conversions and important events to see whether users are completing your desired actions, such as purchases, signups, or form submissions. Use the insights from Google Analytics to improve your website content, navigation, user experience, and marketing strategies. Finally, monitor your reports regularly and compare performance over time to measure the impact of your improvements. And that's how to improve website performance with Google Analytics. By analyzing visitor data and making informed changes, you can create a better user experience and grow your website more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.